services we are going to deal? First of all, we need to plan that in which product, which service we are going to deal, whether we are going to manufacture something or we are going to take the agency of any particular product, we are going to trade into that product, we will be the wholesaler or the retailer, so that all we need to decide. Then after, what is our target market, in which area, in which market, to which customer segment we are going to sell that product, and the anticipated expenses of our business. And after considering all those elements, we can write up a business plan so that we can make profit from that business. So, why business models are important? It is important for new businesses as well as for the established businesses. It is not mandatory that we are going to write down a business plan only when we are going to start a new business. Sometimes in our existing business, if we are going to improve our product, we are going to